What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Dom's Crypto YouTube channel, where we talk about cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and all that good stuff. If that's what you're interested in, make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. Today, we'll be talking about a couple of things. We're going to be focusing on limiting your risks in the crypto space, in trading, Masternodes, and also we're going to talk about why many people lose their money in this space. So sit tight and enjoy. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I feel like many people in the cryptocurrency space, especially those who joined the crypto space last December or at some point during the beginning of 2018, but obviously not only them. I feel like many people struggle with losing money in the crypto space, but I have to say there is a clear reason behind that. Many people share the same habit, and that's the reason why they do lose money in the crypto space. It's very easy to lose your money if you don't have a strategy in place, especially in this market. You can lose everything. Like, I mean it, everything. Why? Well, as you all know, cryptocurrency space is very volatile. Prices jump up and down. I mean, a 10 or a 20% move on an altcoin is normal, right? You check your portfolio, you're 20% up and then you're 20% down. It doesn't matter, right? Because you've experienced the market and you're used to those swings. But those swings can be used and should be used if you don't want to lose your money. Many people fall into a trap of thinking their altcoin, their cryptocurrency, is going to go up forever. I mean, I've made many videos about projects on the channel, and a couple of days later or a couple of weeks later, the price pumped, and I have to say I did take profits. Even if I wanted to hold those coins for a longer amount of time, I still knew the price is too high and it's not gonna rise forever. And I think that's what many people are lacking in their strategy. You can't look at a cryptocurrency and think it's gonna be green candles for the rest of your life. You have to take profits. For you to take profits, you need to have a certain strategy in place. As we said before, 10-20% upswings are something that we're very used to. And what I would advise you do is have a strategy in place. Even if it's aiming to get 20% up on a cryptocurrency and then sell, you have to have some sort of strategy in place. But maybe you're holding onto a crypto that you believe in long term, and that's fine. But once that cryptocurrency sees pumps, and most of them do from time to time, if you sell what you hold and then literally wait a few days, you can buy back the amount that you've already had, and in some cases even double your bag very easily. So what I mean is, you can't fall in love with your holdings, you can't fall in love with your bag. Crypto is gonna go up, it's gonna go down, and along the way, by selling, by buying more, you can make some great trades. Even if you hold a crypto for, if you're planning to hold it for a year, along the way you can make money, or you can increase your bag. Many people feel discouraged when they buy the top or near the top and the price drops significantly. But then when it goes back up, many still believe it's gonna go through the roof and continue to do so for the rest of their life. And I have to tell you guys, what comes up must come down. And we did experience it with Bitcoin and literally everything else. There's no way something can go up and up and up. So if you do have an opportunity to take profits from your bag, just do it. Or what you could do is sell a portion of that. Maybe the money you've initially put into that crypto, wait a few days until the FOMO disappears, and then just buy back. But it's very important to make moves along the line of hodling. If you don't make those moves, you're losing on an opportunity to either add to your bag or make profits along the way. So I do encourage you guys to think about those moves, and hopefully you'll be able to increase on what you already have. One of the main reasons why people don't want to take profits is, as we've mentioned, they fall in love with their bag. But there's also one more reason, and the reason is greed. To eliminate greed from trading. Because of greed, many have lost their money. Many have lost their bags, and that's not something you want to do. I want you guys to succeed in this space, and I mean, it's not easy for me. When I see my bags pumping, I want them to pump forever, but it's not gonna happen. Let's be honest. So that was a little rant from me. It's not even a rant. I just want you guys to succeed. I want you to make money in this space. There's plenty of opportunities around to make really good gains, and all you have to do is just have a strategy, stick to it, and not be greedy. Whatever your strategy is, you need to have it in place. It'll help you along the way, trust me. So the next thing we're going to be talking about today is to do with masternodes. There are plenty of masternode lovers. There's so many of you messaging me on a daily basis talking about the new masternodes that you've encountered, and there are so many new projects that come out with masternodes, and it's great. I personally love it. It's a great way of not only hodling your coins, but earning more along the way. And yeah, I mean, I'm all up for them. I really love them, and many of you guys do also. But I've had a strategy in place for my masternodes, and it's very simple, and it allows me to limit the risk that I'm putting in when investing in cryptocurrencies, in masternodes projects basically. So what I was doing for the past few weeks, for the past few months, is when I buy a masternode, and that really works well with the higher risk ones. Higher risk ones tend to have a higher return on investment as well. I bought those masternodes, and the rewards that I got from them, from day one, I just sold them. I sold all rewards on daily basis. The average return on investment for the masternodes that I'm involved in is around 300 to 400% in the scale of a year. So in that 1 month, I was able to sell 30% of my initial investment, which I could then reuse to buy a different masternode or literally anything else. But that basically was my strategy from the beginning, is to run a masternode, run it for a month, sell all rewards to limit my overall risk. By that, I mean, if the price drops by 30%, then that's okay, because my initial investment was secured by me selling the rewards. So 30% drop is something that I secured by taking out profits from the rewards, and I'll continue to do so. I mean, it's been very successful for me. Obviously some masternode projects that I was involved in, the price went down, and that happens. But because I was able to sell rewards, I then invested into new projects, which made up for the loss. And again, I will continue to do so. I also encourage you guys to have a strategy in place, especially for masternodes. They're great. You can make money overnight when you sleep. It's something that many people want in their life. I know some people who run masternodes and sell rewards until the entire masternode is paid for, and then they move on to the next one. It will take long, but they like to do so. So there are many strategies to limit the risk. It is a risky market. All of you know that. So please, please, please have strategies, whether it's in trading or masternodes or anything in the space. You need to know your end goal and stick by it. That way you limit the risk and not lose your money. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.